I'm absolutely delighted and thrilled to be here. I relocated 2 weeks ago from New York, and it has been quite a journey. So to give you a little bit of background, okay, forget about the background.
Yeah, because the background isn't current.
Right. Well,
so, and all we're interested in is where you are in relationship to where you want to be.
Okay.
That's the path we're focused on.
So what I'm looking for is unfoldment of my life going forward.
Well, it can't do otherwise. So
Right.
I'm right on track. I'm right on track.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm delighted to pronounce to you, Abraham, that I'm right on track. That I've been following a momentum. I've been following a momentum, and I'm really glad to be here. And I can feel an enthusiasm for what's coming.
Yes.
That's really general, but all of that's true, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Can't you feel it?
Yeah.
As she says it through our mouth?
Yeah, I do feel it, and I wasn't quite sure because I've never experienced this before. So Jess and you calling me here and the people that I've met in a short period of time, I am abundance, I am joy, I am prosperity, and I am all that is good. And so I feel that, and I won't tell you the background, but I'm a miracle coming from Brazil, being cured of cancer.
You're gonna do it, aren't you?
Okay, I'm not.
You're gonna do
sorry.
it. You're
Okay.
gonna drag
No, I don't want to go back
to the beginning.
Okay, sorry. Okay, and that's one of the things. That's one of the things that I want to correct. I have this habit of.
Well, just don't do it.
Okay, I want to stop defaulting to the past.
Well, you see, we know why you do it, and
Okay,
everyone
why?
sort of understands it, and you help us to make such a wonderful acknowledgement about this. This is really, 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 really a good conversation, and every one of you is going to relate to it. You would rather talk about something negative that's got some momentum than you would something positive that's not got momentum. Because you've convinced yourself that momentum is what makes things happen, and it is not. It's vibration. But you've convinced yourself that the momentum, in other words, I'm just out there doing. It's better to work really hard and grind myself into a frazzle and accomplish nothing today than it is to sit and relax and get myself in vibrational alignment. That's the way most humans think.
Okay.
And so this is sort of a little bit about that. In other words, we were teasing about it earlier. I've dug a very big hole for myself, and now I've climbed out, and now people are clapping, and I like that. But we want you to create with the masters. We want you to connect with the energy that creates worlds, and certainly some of that took place in all of that. But where are you now in relationship to where you want to be? That's the only question.
Okay.
What
I'm
now?
well. I'm
what
happy.
Now?
I'm joy.
What now?
I'm prosperous. I'm
What
abundance.
Now? Yeah, all of that's
I am.
true, and it's really, really general. What now? And sometimes general is the very best because it's easier to be pure and resistance-free in a general statement than it is a specific statement.
Yeah.
So what does it feel like to be? Does it feel like you've pushed the reset button?
Yes.
Ooh, isn't that a nice feeling? That's what's been taking place in this room today. In other words, energetically, you've pushed the reset button. And what that means to us, when you've pushed the reset button, that means your point of attraction has changed, which means far more than just your location, far more than just the weather.
Yeah.
Far more has changed for you because you have vibrationally pushed the reset button, which means your relationship with everything is going to change. And the thing that we most want to say to you, don't give the difference in the climate the credit for the change.
Right.
Don't give the fact that you're here rather than in New York the credit for the change. You are a different vibrational being, and that's why you followed this different vibrational path. And so much evidence of that having pushed the reset button is before you.
Okay.
Revel in it, all of you. That's the thing that we want you to do more than all of the other things put together. Notice how good the universe is to you, and then take the credit for it because of the vibrational adjustment that you've been working on deliberately. That's what deliberate creation is. Look how good this is turning out for me, and look why it is turning out is because I have been pushing the reset button. And when you make that correlation, because you have complete control over how you feel and what you think, you have complete control, save for the momentum that's sort of making you say it because you haven't practiced it otherwise, but you have complete control to change that momentum to anything that is beneficial to you. You push the reset button. You can push it with every relationship. You can push it on every subject. You can push it every day about everything.
Okay.
Talk about new experiences. You don't have to move from one end of the country to the other for totally new experiences. You just have to stand as the point of attraction who's offering a different vibration than you did yesterday or 3 hours ago.
Good. Thank you.
Yes, indeed.
Okay.